Hi kids. So for today, what we're going to do for our PE is um, bowling. All right, and we're going to use 10 bottles, a quarter filled. Quarter means like almost half, half between half. All right, so it's a bit more than quarter, but yeah, this will do for me. But for you, you can use a quarter only. Like if this is the half of the bottle, like around in this side of water. Now, also we will use a ball of soft. That you know, remember what we did for the uh, soft shooting challenge. This is what we're going to use as well. All right, so we need power and accuracy in doing this. So, but before that, what we're going to do is we're going to warm up first, Spider-Man style. Okay, Spider-Man style. So, are you ready for the workout? Okay, so let's go. All right, kids. So this time, what we're going to do is we're going to work out Tabata Spider-Man style. Ready? job, kids. Alright, so for our activity, what we're going to do is we're going to line up 10 water bottles or 10 bottles, quarter filled, half of half water, like a triangle, like in a bowling alley. Alright? Again, what we're going to do is we're going to make a triangle out of the water bottles that we have. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit or strike the bottles using this ball of soap that we have. Alright? So what we're going to do is we're going to knock them out using this ball of soap. Now, what's the distance? 10 steps away from the bottles. Okay? 10 steps away from the bottles. Over here, right in front of me. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to hit it, or we're going to hit the bottles or strike the bottles 10 times. So every time, sorry about the background. So every time you strike, if you count the number of knocked water bottles or pins. Alright? So for example, in the first round, you will knock out around 3 bottles. So you score 3 on first. And then second round you score 5 and accumulate all, add them up until you finish 10 rounds. Okay, sorry about the sweat. It's very good to exercise sometimes. Let the toxins out of your body. Alright, now, are you ready? I'm going to show you how. So I'll just show you around 2 or 3 rounds, but at home you need to do 10 rounds, count them all up, round them up, and the total score will be your score. So perfect score here is 100. So you need to score a lot, okay? So you record this and send it to our portfolio. Alright, are you ready, kids? So I'm going to show you how in just 3 rounds so that you will have the time to do it at home. Okay? Alright, for my first round, I'm going to, when you hit it, underhand, okay? Underhand roll. So, underhand roll. So none of them are knocked down. How many times are you going to do it? 10. Okay, you're going to do 10 times. So add each round of the score or the pins that you knock down. Okay, and then you will round up. Alright, so hopefully you will enjoy this. See you soonest. Bye.